Hello everybody, Molot here, and today we have just random packs. Have them sitting around, so I need to get through them, so I figured why not just open them on camera. 1819 Artifact, 1718 Artifact, 2 0809 Fleer Ultra, MVP from 1718, 1819 Upper Deck Series 1, 1718 Upper Deck Series 2. Looking for the Sammy Blais rookie in that guy. So without further ado, go ahead and just open these up, see what we got. Ryan Johansson, Jordan Stahl, Matt Murray, John Klingberg, Steven Stamkos, nothing in Artifacts, not surprised. Next up is 1718 Artifacts. We've got Jaden Schwartz, that's cool. I'll take it for my collection. Oliver Ekman-Larsson, filler card, Panarin, and Mike Smith. Interesting. All right, these are hobby packs of 0809. So, if there's anything fun in here. Brian Rolston, can't read that cursive writing. Patrick O'Sullivan, Ultra Rookie of Theo Peckham. Don't know him. Buron, Gold Medallion, Radulov, Mike Green, and Pierre-Marc Bouchard. Moving on, Thomas Vokoun, Thomas Holstrom, Travis Zajac, Scoring Kings of Genla, Milan Hajduk, filler card, Cogliano, Eric Johnson, and Stepniak. 1718 MVP. Keith Eves, Matt Molson. Player credentials, Matt Duchene. I guess it's an insert of some sort, so it's kind of cool. It's got like a little glow to it. I don't think it's anything special, but that's fun. Ryan O'Reilly, David Krejci. All right, Upper Deck. Let's see if we can get some young guns here. Make this video worth something. And Craig Anderson. Won't bore you with the details. Martin Jones, Stahl, Brody, Spezza, Sheehan, no. All right. Last chance. Come on, Sammy Blais. Sammy Blais. Let's do this. Getzlaf, Smith, Drouin, Wright and Hunt for the Panthers. Never heard of him. Jimmy Howard, Jack Johnson, Patrick Kane. Darn it. Oh well, it was worth the chance. But anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.